Hello, Sheila's Easy Recipes family. This is Wowie. Meron ako nakita sa kusina na pwede natin lutuin ng hindi special. Ito ay palagi na natin kinakain at yun lang, ginagawa natin iniinit or ginigisa. And ito yung sardinas. And then may nakita akong kamatis, dalawang sibuyas. And gamit tayo ng 4 na cloves ng garlic. At meron din ako nakita ang isang sili. Tawag namin dito is sili espada. Please comment kung anong tawag nito sa inyo. Tara na!
I'm so excited to share with you our ready-to-eat sardines na pwede pa namang magawa ng paraan para magiging mas special, mas yummy. But it's just going to be the easy way. So, meron tayong isang sardines, 2 kamatis, tapos 4 na cloves ng garlic, then chili. So, kunin natin yung sauce ng sardinas. Itabi lang natin at wag ito itapon kasi gagamitin natin to later for the sauce. Yan. So, just set aside the sauce. And then, prepare the garlic. Mince them as well as the onions, the tomatoes, and the siling espada. Kung tatawagin namin dito sa Cebu. Ayan. So, ready na yung spices natin as well as our sardines. So, but before natin igisa yung sardinas, before we will make the sardines gisa. Okay, so fry muna natin yung sardines. Yun. So na-fry ko na yon. Tapos wag mong, you don't have to change your oil. Just get those yung mga burnt na tiladak sardines. You can just get them para iwas bitter ng pagiging bitter yung ulam. So yun, gisa. Just gisa the spices. There's no, a certain rule na paano yung igisa kasi sa tingin ko lang ha, mauna man yung kamatis o hindi, yung sibuyas, parang ganun pa rin yung lasa. Para sa akin, parang wala namang pinagkaiba. Basta hindi lang malakas yung apoy. Ayun. So there it is, our special sardines na gisado. I hope you will try this one because it's really yummy. The fried sardine is a really different taste there. It went from one level to another level of taste. As in, I promise, napakasarap niya and you will never go wrong trying this easy recipe. It's just easy and mura. I think I just spent so the sardines is only 19, tapos yung spices siguro mga 20. So it's just around 40. This is good for 2 to 3 people. Thank you and bye!